The way you talk to yourself determines everything: your confidence, your discipline, your success. It all starts with the words you use in your own mind. If you fill your head with doubt, hesitation, and negativity, your actions will reflect it. But if you train yourself to speak with power, certainty, and belief, your life will follow. Most people are their own worst enemy. They tear themselves down in ways they would never do to someone else. They replay their failures, criticize their abilities, and reinforce their own limitations. And because they repeat these thoughts daily, they start to believe them. They create a pattern, a cycle, a mindset that keeps them stuck in the same place. But what happens when you change the way you speak to yourself? What happens when you talk to yourself with the same encouragement, certainty, and strength that you would give a close friend? What happens when you stop feeding yourself excuses and start reinforcing success? You change your actions, change your results, and over time your entire identity shifts. It takes 21 days to build a habit. And if you commit to changing your self-talk for 21 days, you will see a transformation in your thinking, your confidence, and your ability to take action. The words you use become your reality, and the good news, you have complete control over them. For the next 21 days, you must commit to one thing: no more speaking to yourself like a failure.